Every milestone begins with a decision to move forward, and today you stand at the threshold of one such milestone. This is not just about registering for CAT, it's about unlocking possibilities, embracing challenges, and shaping the leader you aspire to be. We are Team Insight, the official admission coordinators of IIM Kashipur, here to guide you every step of the way. From building your confidence to clarifying your doubts, we ensure your journey begins with clarity and conviction. So let's embark on this transformative path together, starting with the CAT registration process.
Hello and welcome to the registration process for the Common Admission Test CAT 2025. To begin, click on the Register as a New Candidate button. In the registration portal, start by entering your full name exactly as it appears on your 10th or SSC mark sheet. Next, provide your date of birth, your active email address, your country, and your active mobile number. Once these details are filled, click on Generate OTP, then input the OTP received on your registered email address and mobile number, and make sure to validate them. After successful validation, scroll down and agree to the declaration. Re-enter the CAPTCHA carefully and then click on Confirm. Finally, review the details as shown in the table. Select the checkboxes to confirm their accuracy and then click on Submit. Your candidate registration will now be complete. This is the application portal for CAT 2025. Let's walk through the steps to successfully complete your form. You will begin the process by entering your first name, middle name and last name, along with your guardian's details and spouse's name if applicable. Under Other Personal Details, your date of birth will be pre-filled from registration. Please complete the remaining fields such as gender, nationality, and category. If you belong to the SC, ST, OBC, or EWS categories, enter the corresponding category certificate details. If you fall under the Person with Disability category, select Yes and provide the required information about your disability along with the wheelchair or scribed requirements. Next, carefully fill in both your communication and permanent addresses, followed by your emergency contact details. After that, upload clear images of your passport size photograph and signature as per the specified guidelines. Once uploaded, make sure to preview them for accuracy and then click on Save and Next. In the academic section, start with your 10th or equivalent details, including your aggregate percentage. Then enter your 12th or equivalent or diploma details along with the aggregate percentage. Please note that the percentages for both 10th and 12th must be calculated based on all subjects listed in your mark sheet. Moving ahead, fill in your undergraduate course details such as course name, university and scores. If applicable, provide information about any dual bachelor's degree, master's degree or professional qualifications like Fellowship of the Actuaries of India. Ensure all details entered are accurate before clicking Save and Next. If you have work experience, fill in the relevant details in the work experience section. Remember, your work experience will be counted as of July 31st, 2025. The system will automatically calculate the total months of experience entered. In the program section, you may select any number of programs that you are eligible for, along with your preferred interview cities. For instance, here we will select the MBA program at IIM Kashipur and choose Bangalore and Chennai as the interview cities. Next, in the test city section, you can choose up to 5 unique test cities in order of preference. Please ensure the cities selected are convenient and within reach from your hometown. Finally, in the declaration step, you will proceed to payment. The registration fee is Rs 2600, payable through gateways such as PayU or BillDesk. Before making the payment, review your form carefully as no further edits will be allowed after this stage. Once verified, select your payment mode and proceed. Upon successful payment, your CAT 2025 registration will be complete.
So, keep in mind, the last date to complete your CAT 2025 registration is September 13 by 5 p.m. So, don't wait until the last moment. Take a new step now and open the doors to your future.